for math today. I'm going to read you a story by Leo Lionni called A Color of His Own. Leo Lionni is the author and the illustrator. Here's our title page. Front cover, back cover, spine. Parrots are green. Goldfish are red. Elephants are gray. Pigs are pink. All animals have a color of their own. Except for chameleons. They change wherever they go. A chameleon is a type of a lizard. On lemons, they are yellow. In the heather, they are purple. And on the tiger, they are striped like tigers. One day, a chameleon who was sitting on a tiger's tail said to himself, if I remain on a leaf, I shall be green forever, and so I too will have a color of my own. With this thought, he cheerfully climbed onto the greenest leaf. But in autumn, the leaf turned yellow, and so did the chameleon. Later, the leaf turned red, and the chameleon turned red too. And then the winter winds blew the leaf from the branch, and with it, the chameleon. The chameleon was black as a long winter night. But when spring came, he walked out into the green grass, and there he met another chameleon. He told his sad story. Won't we ever have a color of our own? He asked. I'm afraid not, said the other chameleon, who was older and wiser. But, he added, why don't we stay together? We can still change color wherever we go. But you and I will always be alike. And so they remained side by side. They were green together, and purple, and yellow, and red with polka dots. And they lived happily ever after. The end. Now you're going to get out your number book. I have your green math folder. This is what it looks like. You can write your name down here. You can color the pictures on the front. You can even color the word book if you want to. And today you're going to work on a few different pages. You're going to work on 0, and it tells you what to do. If you have a highlighter, you can highlight the 0. If you don't, you can just use a marker. Color 0 stars. Wait a minute. You can't color 0 stars, so you can leave that blank. Mark 0. Can't really do that. You can trace the word 0, though. Color 0. You can't color one of these if it's 0, and you can't even draw it. But you can trace the numbers at the bottom. So for 0, you can highlight this or trace this with a marker. You can trace inside the word 0, and you can trace the numbers at the bottom. Then I want you to work on page 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you're going to do the same things, but you can also do more things. So you're going to trace it, color one bear, fill in one box of your 10 frame, trace the word 1, color one line, draw one thing, and then trace the number down here. And the same with 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. And when you finish page 5, you can stop there because we're going to be doing the rest of your number book another day.